Stand up, stand up. Time don't reach to do paddy show.
Sorry.
Okay. This one where you come show like
Don't
this.
forget. I said today na Saturday.
Saturday.
Okay,
Wait. Come here. Come here. No earring for ear. No.
I said never bath. Leave me.
All these girls. We are small again today. All these girls. Mona focus on her. So now she tell they wake up. Most times when she don't wake up for morning, she dey look like this. Be like a happy rat. I agree there by yourself. Tell them say I force you come TV today. I force you wake up today, and I force you come do the show today. Tell them now.
He forced me come TV today. He forced me come do the show today, and he forced me. Let me tell you what happened. See today, something happened. I know supposed day. You understand? So he can't say, "By that plan no go work again." No, now I just run come. As I based on saying that the show where he be or join because this show na live show. No time.
So,
you understand?
We know if we disappoint our people for house. So we must do and say we must day here.
Yeah.
Talking say last week, you know, day here. So I said, no way. If anybody want to form discharging now, me go discharge. You understand me now?
So, are you trying to tell me something?
Actually, it depends on your reading.
What's the problem?
you know threatening me, but I felt threatened. I just shake around me like this. Okay, so we dey welcome everybody come the show. No worry, I did very, very agile. I did very, very.
Even me, I agile. Forget. Only say I never bath, but I agile.
Forget, but you never bath, but you still smell well.
Oh, but see, wowza.
You should know my own is rub off you.
No, forget this thing. Look, it's my natural body odor. People used to buy it in museum. You don't know.
Okay. Anyway, we get one video to show everybody just to welcome all of you. Now, also I sleep very well. Also, are they very okay?
And by the way, it's on top. And by the way, now Friday.
God bless all of you now. For all of now, when they follow us on top social media, they watch this show. We love us well. We love all of you now. Back die.
If you don't allow me to talk now, check in my armpits. You know, so I never bath.
Talk.
Friday.
Okay. Not finished. All right, so we get one Chinese video to show everybody. We don't show it before, but also show now again based on these things, acrobatic things waiting for the whole video. Watch it, and we shall come back.
They be like ants.
You know say
when you don't want kick cockroach for you when you just fly enter your
but this one, you don't go kill prison side. I said the fence long ago. That means this one now without ladder, then we just skate it. One fair run come, you stay. The remaining two.
Now this one they call in the blink of an eye.
One come hold one leg, climb the jayaba. See creativity. Based on popular demand, I make our play more because people ask for it. So we see me will play it again. Alright. Why they yawn? Not they yawn. You don't brush? Smell that.
It's okay.
It's like you are very unprofessional, my man.
It's okay.
So you can't do it for TV.
Now you say make I smell them.
Hey, my no. Oh, professional girl like you.
You say make I smell them, I spell them.
Why can't we wear this sweater like this?
No, it's how I sleep. I like to sleep comfortable.
Okay. Anyway, now me just stay uncomfortable. Who is my voice with this? Hey, there is. So
give us yadi.
Wait. Oh, now welcome. Oh, we have a God. Oh, my read your yadi yado.
Oh, but you want to enter trouble? Okay.
I don't call it. Hey.
All right. You laugh yourself, Abby. You laugh yourself. This one, what would they do? You know, all these people, they get one leg.
Yeah.
All these them two All these people, where they get one leg, especially the ones where they beg. Now, then they cause how people know they give them anything again. Now, even then, they cause how people know they help them again. People, they talk, so now only one leg cut, no be say two of your hand cut, go walk.
See, so since some people get where you can't get accident,
Yes.
waiting can't do them.
Waiting can't
they
do
don't
them.
get one leg.
Yes.
Now the ones that where they born,
The one where they're born.
I get at least 4 friends.
The ones where they're
Where
born
they
with
born
one
like
leg.
that. They're stubborn.
Oh, but no. You see how these people
Jadeke.
Wait, now I give you this gist. This gist what I want to say concern all these one leg people. Very stubborn people. Now,
Not be all.
this
Not be all.
some of them. No, see, now they say now my mama go say now small mess. Now in this scatter the whole area. So small shit we gum bum bum. Now in the
Purple.
no, okay, small pepper. We gum bum bum. Now they smell full everywhere.
Yes.
You understand? So now them, now all these bad eggs them, now then they spoil the other ones. Because this particular guy now, this guy gets one leg. If you see the fence where this guy climb, enter person office, go thief laptop. See, wait. See, there's when they can't catch him, they can't strip and naked, can't tie him. Now, how they take no this particular guy, early morning, no, he only and climb fence. Enter inside one building where belong to one building where they call Savitech Limited for old GRA for inside Port Harcourt. For 90 years for Port Harcourt, the guy climbed the fence. He enter person office. He carry the laptop. As he carry the laptop, you want come down that same. See the laptop with a thief. You want come down that same way. Now one of the workers when they come early, come catch and say, "Hey, with your one leg, you still want climb fence?
One leg go.
You will break window enter. Thief laptop." Yeah, useless somebody. And they catch him with one leg, thief laptop.
If you can't get 2 legs, you go.
Oh, he go thief the whole company.
You go to terrorize universe. Yeah, because well anyway, this one just further prove one thing, Mayowa. Say even with 1 leg, 1.5 or 2 leg, who bad?
Yes.
So that will not justifies anybody.
And it also means say whether 1 leg or 2 leg, there's nothing impossible for you to do.
Yes.
So do it and do better thing.
Yes, they look the optimistic side of the whole thing. Because like I told you before, some of my friends that will get 1 leg. Oh, GGG. When we in secondary school, we get one. You know, they like to mime any other person's song.
Okay, Jackson.
No, Tupac.
Tupac.
I don't call the name. He got tie scarf for head. and because the lame, so he come way back. One day, that's why he fall for stage. As one can carry on, the boy say, no. I'm Thug Life, man. Thug Life. Hey. I think I now Kingsley. I'll call this one name. Kingsley. I nearly call his son name just now. Kingslow. That one like woman. He like woman. And they tell us, you know, shame for yourself. See you. They cut out that thing. You couldn't go pay down. But finally, I talk now. I don't marry you.
That's so.
You don't born 3.
That's so.
But shout out to all my guys that they really, things do.
But according to this story, this bros 1 leg. I for you.
You're scaling fence somebody.
Thief
bad guy.
Break window. Thief laptop. Be bad guy.
All right. So now, second story on the flick.
What?
On flick. On the flick now. This one, Thai. Thai woman with a sentence for death.
Ni hao.
Blood those Chinese side, you understand? Now, the woman say they just call her one day. As she just enter aeroplane, say she come, they travel, go somewhere. They just call her one day, say, come, take this capsule. Then swallow some, put some for your bum, put some for your main place. Yeah. Just help us carry and go the other side.
Fill all the holes.
Now she say na medicine. According to her, she say na medicine. Say because of the ignorance, say she not be too learned person, she not too know things. And they carry and give her, say make she travel. And she reach the other place, she dey travel go. And they come search, do the normal searching, say. And they say she don't swallow some dey the bum side, some come dey the main junction box. When they come bring everything come out, oh boy, cocaine, now she carry cocaine. As it be like this now, they don't sentence the woman to death. Bam! So she traffic cocaine across the border. So right now, they still put mouth for the place, but man, forget. They say her willful blindness not even make them even look say they're going to defend them for this whole thing. Sentence to death straight.
You know say she begin feel pain. Now it make them first catch herself. She can't tell police, say, come on, this pain, why they feel so.
Yes, but they can't even accuse her. Say, why she not even first talk? Say, person just tell her, say, maybe she just put things for body. Why she not first talk from her own countryside?
Yeah.
Because later she don't fish, she don't be uncomfortable during her flight. They say she slept throughout, she was not okay, she just feel like 1-6. She can't call police, say, see you.
You know, say this thing, ignorance na bad thing.
Bad
But like, you know,
thing.
say possibility they say she dey lie. And possibility they say she dey talk true.
Yes.
But make we even check and say maybe she dey talk true.
true.
You know, say some people they're so ignorant, ignorant.
Gullible.
Anything where you gullible. Thank you, that the word be that. Anything where you tell them.
Yes.
They go agree.
Okay.
Tell them, so yeah, chook this thing for your poo place.
Okay.
See this one go happen. They go say, carry on.
Bam.
With small money, and you don't know the kind of suffer where some people they suffer.
My sister.
So
some people just give them
sometimes
small money just to take, change their head.
So sometimes this thing where they call ignorance, now very bad thing because plenty people they suffer.
I beg.
You
Just
don't
make sure
notice
say
the change of my voice just now.
Yes, your voice can't deep.
It can't deep.
You can't show your seriousness.
I don't realize I
Wow,
shout. I
wow.
can't say make a mellow down.
All right. Okay,
Yeah.
so based on the mellowing down thing, you
Yeah.
understand? Everybody just did very, very sharp. Shine your eye. Okay? Shine your eye.
So
all
now
right?
they don't buy them now like this.
They don't buy the woman for the Anyway, go y'all take a video, go y'all ginger us up quickly based on the Friday things, you understand? Because this one is Danny my mood, is Danny her own mood. Her voice is not even low, not talk to man voice now.
Ah, I bet kulale.
Now you go kulale. No kulale. Will they come back?
Can I take your ear off real quick? Look, there it is. What's wrong? You want me to put it back on? You want me to put it back on? I'll put it back on. Here. I'll put it back on. There it is. Does it feel better?
Yeah.
Okay.
One bit again.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Like one bit again.
You grabbed your ear again?
Yeah. Yeah. I did.
Daddy did?
Yeah.
You want him to do it again?
Yeah.
You
Yeah?
want to do it again?
No.
Want me to do your nose this time? I can pull your nose off.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's so messed up.
Don't worry. I'll put it back. Okay.
Put your head down.
Hold still. Okay.
Your nose is back. Let me see your nose. Oh, it looks good.
You go
Bolo.
parents are very naughty well.
Parents do not have pikin wey go bolo. See, come Naija, do one for you go say na lie,
Na lie.
my yeah today.
Naija pikin, the people do a yaya on top sef. He no come out.
You know, come on, he dead yeah.
They can't touch your back like this.
He
They do
dead.
like this for you. You were called there, you can't feel bad. Come on, get out of this place. Then they form maga like this.
See the
So.
pikin, you feel better? Yeah.
You want to do your nose there?
Yeah. They come out the nose.
You red. The boy red.
The papa wicked and the mama self wicked.
They laugh.
He said, who did it? Daddy did.
A cash cruise for the picky head. Anyway,
Oh,
go
Lord.
continue our yam pea.
All right, so this next gist is not be something wey sweet my belly because this particular man, he be 62-year-old for inside the America place there. The man for inside this normal county, that one are small towns where they dey for inside a particular city. For inside the county where they call Limerick.
Limerick.
Yes, Limerick. This man just they come back. As they come back, John Donogwe. Or something I name. But I can't feel like say okay, maybe whether make we talk this thing now.
We'll go break. All right, let's go on break quickly on flick. With the comebacks, no. Man will continue every of the mind will die or talk. As they see burglars inside the house. Oh, we are coming back. No. Quickly.
Oh yeah, follow. Wazobia FM. For social media. Follow Wazobia FM on top Facebook at facebook.com/Wazobia Radio.
Or visit our website for www.wazobiafm.com.
Now we get it.
Bad manners. You shouldn't check someone's mobile like that.
Sorry.
Declare war! Do it! And win Priya over!
Are you pregnant?
What?
Today we're selecting 6 girls. They will come with us to Lagos for the boot camp. We will choose 6 girls from Uniport, 6 from UniUyo, and 6 from Unilag. The boot camp is very tough. We have programs from 7 in the morning till 10 at night. And it's going to be very, very intense. Little by little, we will eliminate girls. And there will be only one winner. And she will be the new face of FCMB.
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs waiting on top Wazobia TV, waka like Hokogan, enter Twitter at Wazobia TV NG. What are you wait for?
Still now your health on top Wazobia TV, where we summer you with better information. We go break am down from here go stand to waiting the shell. To manage no cost. I been again 5. We get some plenty all for you today on the show. It go be like say you dey hear your heart dey beat. Only you want. They call the strong one cause they so. That one the time it hold me 1 week.
Everybody party tight. Lurishi bishi, sissy, pretty, very naughty, baby, take a busy. Push it up and grind, girl, like riding Kawasaki, girl, you make me feel high. Aleoni, Shamaya, Idati Kosheko, Omojat Yoleko, telling me Kamalole, oh. Telling me Kamalole, oh.
I like it moves.
You know my favorite part, the one own.
Wait, turn back. We'll go play them again later. That one, an old man for his spirit.
And they tell you,
that old man, get old man spirit.
Even if you say the guy don't go drink in Papa Jekpe.
Maybe.
The guy just go sip in Papa something, and anything he don't send a message. Anyway, make I just continue back to my gist. So back to the gist when I talked before about the 62-year-old guy for inside the America place for the county where they call Limerick. This guy, where they call his name John Donoghue. Thank you. 62 years old man. The man come out as they come back. You know when you just they come back to your house, you can't see people they fly come out from your house. Thieves, they don't burglar your house. They don't scatter everything. They just they come out. Now so heart attack just catch the man, he fall down and die on the spot. I'm telling you. So the people around the area can call police. About 1:30 a.m. now the county police can come. People around the area can say, "Nalayo, we must find it because this particular man, now one of the best men where we get for years, is one of the nicest people. He's a perfect gentleman." Say the guy dead, so they no go agree and make it go like that. Apparently, they don't catch 2 people where they be suspects, where they don't question them on top of the matter. But say as the guy just the people they come, view. The guy just heart attack.
He just hook up.
Now so he died on the spot.
But well.
In fact, the man said a carpenter. The people say he's a thorough gentleman. He's such a good man. He doesn't fight with anyone. He's really nice. I don't know which accent be that.
You just do one. One just you enter. You enter. You understand? So anyway, you shall pass the information.
Yes.
Now you mix Ghana and German and South African own, add small US
Kenya.
own, then Kenya come somewhere, then UK own just.
Puta.
You understand? Icing on the cake it.
It's just to show that it's an international gist.
Exactly. You understand? But I happy say they not catch 2 people. Inside the whole this thing because that thing you just and maybe the man they hypertensive. Before that time.
No, they talk say the man don't do something before one particular thing, where then they call bypass. Now one medical something like that. But the guy don't get health issues.
Okay, don't get.
So that thing just trigger.
Just hook up somewhere. For that guy. Anyway. May you still rest in peace.
Amen.
And the ones that they don't catch, those ones will bring the other ones that come outside.
Yeah.
I'm not talk my own gist because it did very.
It's too graphically unrecognizably destructive for a Friday.
For a Friday.
Yeah.
You understand? Because we don't talk this one, a person died for this one, person, the sentenced person to death for this one.
Somebody died for this one.
One person go climb this thing for we need happy gist.
On
happy
a Friday that I'm not even back.
Exactly.
No.
And they smell everywhere.
Yeah,
okay,
we need a gist that can ease the tension. So because of that, we have to play that video again.
Yes.
Now.
Any video and things. You understand?
Play the video for us, man. Right about now. Poker.
Yeah. All right. So now we'll go on remind me of yesterday. Say pad ball. All right. So let's go for this particular video. We come back, then we'll still do laugh the laugh up front.
So this video is not laugh the laugh for Mona. This
just
is
to
based on Paddy demand.
Yes. Mona Sia.
Based on who we be.
Slow and steady, so nice. Up in the club, everybody party tight. Lori shibishi, sissy, pretty. Very naughty, baby, take a booty. Push it open, grand girl, like riding Kawasaki, girl, you make me feel high. Aleoni, Shamaya, Idati Kosheko, Omo Jacho Lego. Tell me come alole, oh. Tell me come alole, oh. Slow and steady, so nice. Up in the club, everybody party tight. Lori shibishi, sissy, pretty. Very naughty, baby, take a booty. Push it open, grand girl, like riding Kawasaki, girl, you make me feel high. Aleoni, Shamaya, Idati Kosheko, Omo Jacho Lego. Tell me come alole, oh. Tell me come alole, oh.
That's my video vixen for back.
Slow and steady, so nice. Up in the club, everybody party tight.
Hey! Video vixen, Mayowa, behind it. If that boy see you now, the boy goes happy. Oh yeah, that's because of that.
Oh Lord!
That guy.
Oh God!
That guy.
Oh my God!
He can't clearly.
Now that part, the song don't enter.
My mama go say, "Osogui." Them say, "Don't switch, you die." Don't even ladies.
Senti, how do they call us? Senti.
Okay, so now as it be like this now, you don't do video vixen finish. No one I go soon sing song. Not only you go out the dance for that video.
Oh yeah.
Only you. Oh, understand? So very soon.
But give us laugh. We're not gonna do rehearsal.
No, laugh the laugh first. Then we'll go do video vixen.
Go do rehearsal. Yeah. Oh yeah, give us laugh the laugh.
Laugh the laugh. No.
Destiny, Father, look from where you're calling. Destiny, Papa, look from where you're calling. Well, Godfather, me tell you something now. Me want to be a real Rasta man, see? Each and every day, me want to sing for the girl, them, and they want to wind up on the real dancer king, see? Me want them to sing the ta shake it, ta wind it, ta move it for the dancer king. Me want to say, pull it, don't know big things. Who magnify the Lord with me, brother? Exalt the name of Jesus. Who magnify the Lord with me, Daddy Mo? Exalt the name of Jesus. Daddy, you are blessed in the name of the Lord. Idiot.
They're dialing here.
Thank you, my auto reset.
Oh, you know your po. They die.
Oh Lord.
You guys are kind of slap you receive from parents. Oh, your head go correct straight. They will just reformat your skull for you. Gonna enter pastor mode straight up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like this now. We don't reach where we go come out for the whole show like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And not be joke at all of now. They there with us reach today. We say thank you to everybody when they watch the show and God will bless you now continuously. Even for all the sweet gifts that they give us so that they enjoy the show. God bless all of you now. Me yours?
Yeah. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy.
Yes.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. And should in case, perhaps, Parising,
maybe,
because you understand, you didn't really have a catching of our episode.
Exactly.
You can just enter into the YouTube place. Just go www.youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy Paddy, and you will see all the things that's been happening that you have mixed for inside there.
All right, so from me, myself, and from my Wednesday baby.
You're vixen.
You're my video vixen.
There we go.
Say God bless everybody. And of course, we'll soon on Monday. Weekend don't reach. Everybody take and okay yourself, please. And relax this week.
I bet that video one. Woo!
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.